Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to log into Augustana University as a student. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is open up Google Chrome or a browser of your choice, and then in the search bar you must type in myaccount.augustana.edu. That is myaccount.augustana.edu. And then hit go or enter on your keyboard. Here you'll have to tap on set up student or employee account. And then you'll have to enter the 7-digit ID number, which should be provided to you by your college or university, and then follow the on-screen instructions to activate your account. After you've activated your account, you must head over to my.augie.edu. That is my.augia.edu. And then hit go or enter on your keyboard one more time. On the top right of the screen, you can tap on login. Here you'll have to enter your username and password that you just activated and set up. You'll then be able to log into your account. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.